Hello students, let's see the analysis of RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelim exam held on 12 September 2020 slot 1. That is today's exam. So first we'll discuss in detailed analysis of reasoning ability, then we'll discuss the quantitative aptitude. Duration of the exam is 45 minutes. Quantitative aptitude you have given 40 questions, and from the area of reasoning ability 40 questions, and total number of questions given 80, and we do not have section wise time limit. No section wise time limit. No section wise time limit. Now reasoning ability. From the area of reasoning ability, total puzzles. From the area of puzzles, you got total 25 questions, and from other areas, you have given 15 questions. From the area of puzzles, 25 questions, and other areas, 15 questions we'll discuss. First, we'll discuss about puzzles. So total puzzles, 25 questions, and the first puzzle in that one is linear arrangement. 8 persons. 8 persons are sitting in a row facing north, and each of them is of a different age. 8 persons are given. 8 persons are given, and ages of 8 persons are given, but the ages are not given directly. In the initial data it is not given. While going through the clues, you will be able to get the ages of those persons. And among these 8 persons, 5 persons ages are directly given. A sits second to the left of the person whose age is 19 years, like that kind of statements. 5 persons ages are directly given, and the remaining 3 persons ages we'll be able to find using some calculations. Difference between the ages of A and B is 10 years. As we already know the age of A, you will be able to find out the age of B. That kind of statements are given. 8 persons, and the ages of 8 persons are given. 5 persons ages are directly given. 3 persons ages we can find using some mathematical calculations. And the level of difficulty of this question is moderate. Level of difficulty of this question is moderate. Now, in this question, presentation of the clues. The presentation of the clues are, as we expected, the clues are given in the order. The clues are given in the order. No need to pick up any clues randomly. No need to pick up any clues randomly. First statement 1, then statement 2, then statement 3, and so on. So while going through the first clue to last clue, you will be able to find out the final arrangement. We have only one final arrangement, but when you are going through the clues in this particular question, linear arrangement, 8 persons and ages, we got 2 possibilities initially, but while going through the clues, we will be able to eliminate one possibility. The remaining one possibility our final arrangement. So no need to pick up clues randomly. Clues are given in the order as we told you. So 5 questions and moderate. And in these 5 questions, there are 2 questions. One is of analogies based. Analogies based means in a certain way, A is related to the person whose age is 36 years. In the same way, B is related to the person whose age is 30 years. Following the same way, who is related to the person whose age is 35 years. Like this kind of question, analogies. And one question is of odd man out. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Find the one which does not belong to that group. So this kind of question is given, and the remaining 3 questions are direct questions. Okay, based on their seating positions. So it is our arrangement 1, linear arrangement, 8 persons and QBR. Now let's discuss the second model. Second model which was given in exam. It is first model, linear arrangement, 8 persons QBR, and the clues are given in the order as we expected. No need to pick up any clues randomly, but while going through the information, we got 2 possibilities, and the second possibility was eliminated immediately with the next 1 or 2 statements. No. So second puzzle given was linear arrangement, but unknown number of persons. Linear arrangement, unknown number of persons. Total number of persons after solving the arrangement, students got 28 persons. And the level of difficulty rated or moderate. Level of difficulty rated moderate. 28 persons means definitely it will be a little bit moderate level of difficulty questions. So what is the specialty of this question? Unknown number of persons. Number of persons they won't mention at the initial. While going through the arrangement, we need to extend the arrangement, and finally they are able to conclude that they have got 28 persons. Even this, in this question also, let us discuss the pattern of the clues. Clues are given in the order. Clues are given in the order. No need to pick up any clues randomly. While going through the information, again, here also we got two possibilities. With the next two statements, students are able to eliminate the one possibility. The remaining possibilities they got as their answer. And even in this question also, there is a one question with analogies is given. There is a one question with analogy is given, and another question is given with which of the following is definitely true. Definitely true. And the remaining two questions are direct questions based on their seating positions. Linear arrangement, unknown number of persons. And I will tell you one more speciality. Wait, not now. After discussion of the entire puzzles area, I will tell you one point. So what is the specialty of this question? Again, clues are given in the order, and analogies type of questions and definitely true type of questions are given, and the level of difficulty rated moderate. Okay. Now let's get the third puzzle which was given in the exam. Circular arrangement, 9 persons, some facing center, some are facing away from the center. Level of difficulty of this question was moderate to difficult. Moderate to difficult. Again, pattern of the clues. What is the pattern of the clues? Clues are given in the order. Clues are given in the order. No need to pick up any clues randomly. Again, while going through the information, the number of possibilities given 2. 2 possibilities are given. 2 possibilities are given. Again, in this one odd man out question, one odd man out question, and one analogies question, one definitely true question, and the remaining 2 questions are based on their positions. Based on their positions. And again, if you observe that in the first puzzle and in the second puzzle and in the third puzzle, in all these 3 puzzles, clues are given in the order. So in our sessions and everywhere when we discussed puzzles webinar, in that one also we told that in examiner giving the clues in the order. So please don't try to pick up any clues randomly. Don't waste your valuable time in the exam. So clues they are giving in the order, so you follow the order. What is wrong in that? Okay. So all these 3 puzzles, puzzle 1, puzzle 2, puzzle 3, this kind of questions we discussed during our puzzles webinar, which was conducted on September 7th. So in that one, we have given 20 expected models, 20 expected puzzle sets. So these 3 sets was there in those 3 expected sets. Linear arrangement 8 persons cubier. Instead of the linear, there we have the floor arrangement cubier. Linear arrangement unknown number of persons as it is we given. Circular arrangement there we given with the 8 persons, we got with the 9 persons, but the model was set. But the model is set. So these 3 puzzles were there in our puzzles webinar. Okay, let's see what about the other puzzles. So in case if you have not watched our puzzles video, most expected 20 puzzles for RRB, PO and assistant exams, please do watch again. That is available in your in our web video channel, Time for Bank Exams YouTube channel. So go there and please watch that video. It will definitely help you if you are writing the next slot exams or clerical prelims exams, and exclusively for RRB, PO and RRB clerical prelims, and again only prelims exam. Okay, now the fourth was box arrangement. Even this question was also we discussed during our puzzles webinar, which is conducted on September 7th. Okay, even this set was also we discussed. Most expected 20 sets. Okay, so box arrangement, similar kind of models we discussed. Box arrangement, 10 boxes given, level of difficulty rated easy. And below this, 5 questions are given. Again, what is the pattern of the clues? Pattern of the clues. Pattern of the clues. Can you expect? Same, in the order. Clues are given in the order. And 5 easy type of questions. One odd min out question. In each and every puzzle they give an odd min out question, and the remaining 4 are direct question. And now let's look at the specialty of these two statements. What kind of statements are given? One statement is given like A is 2 places. A is 2 places away from B. This is a general kind of statement they use it to give. Now what the specialty of this question, this kind of statements is A is 2 places away. After that, in the brackets they given either to the left or to the right. This kind of extra information is used either to the left or to the right. So even before they use it to give this, we should consider the same, either to the left or to the right. But now they are giving more clarity, like the statement either to the left or to the right. So don't get any confusion. A is 2 places away from B is same as A is 2 places away either to the left or to the right from B. This kind of statement is same. Okay, and also whenever they use the statement A and B are facing same direction, side by that they have given information regarding the definition of same direction. It means A and B are both facing the same center, or both A and B are facing away from the center. That type of data is also given whenever they use the statement same directions and different direction. When they use the statement different direction, in that case they used if one faces the center, other facing away from the center. That kind of statements are used. Now when it comes to box arrangement, this kind of statements are used. Box A is 4 boxes away from box B. It is a general kind of statement. Now here again in the away it is given either to the above or below. This kind of extra statement is used. But even before giving this kind of statement, we used to treat it in the same way. 4 box away means A can be above box B or B can be above box A. So this kind of new type of statements are introduced. So again, pattern of the clues given in the order. Okay, pattern of the clues given in the order. For all the 4 puzzles, linear arrangement 8 persons ages, linear unknown number of persons, circular arrangement, some are facing center, some are facing away from the center, away from the center. Box arrangement, in all these kind of statements, puzzles, clues are given in the order. So level of difficulty is easy. Now one more exact expected question we discussed during our puzzles webinar on September 7th. Floor arrangement, 4 floors, each floor with 2 flats. So flat 1, flat 2, flat 3, flat 4, each floor 2 flats, like this kind of. And the clues are given directly. For this puzzle, clues are given directly, and the level of difficulty of this set was easy set, doable set in less time. So box arrangement is also given with 3 possibilities. For the box arrangement, when you are going through the clues from the beginning, we got 3 possibilities. Floor arrangement, again we got 2 possibilities, but it is doable question. Though it is 3 possibilities, we are able to eliminate quickly, easy level of difficulty. Okay, for this question you can spend time 3 minutes. In 3 minutes you will be able to answer these 5 questions, and even this set also taken just 3 minutes of time to complete. Okay, floor arrangement, each floor with 2 flats. Direct clues are given, and also clues are given in the order. For this puzzle also clues are given in the order. No need to pick up any clues randomly from the middle. No need to read the entire information. Directly you can start from the beginning of your statements. Okay. Now, one more expected question. Distribution 6 persons, 6 days. Sorry, not the dates. 6 persons, 6 days. Monday through Saturday. Monday through Saturday was given. But surprisingly, only one question is given, and the level of difficulty of the question was very, very easy. And the clues are given in the order. Clues are also given in the order. Direct statements, all direct statements. But only one question is given below this, and easy level of difficulty. Okay, so total number of puzzles given are 25. Among these 25, 11 are easy, 14 are moderate. 14 are overallly moderate level of difficulty. So these, to complete this, it takes 1 minute time to complete. To complete this 11 question, it taken 7 minutes. If you can solve at least one puzzle from this, it will take 4 minutes or 4 to 5 minutes time to complete. If it is a circular set, it took more time, but linear arrangement, 8 persons, QBR, unknown number of persons taken 4 to 5 minutes of time. So overallly, by spending 12 minutes time to puzzles, they will be able to answer 15 questions. 15 questions. If you can spend 15 minutes, you will be able to answer 19 questions from puzzles. 12 minutes, 15 questions, 15 minutes, 15 to 16 minutes, 19 to 20 questions from puzzles you will be able to solve if you won't attempt circular arrangement. If you attempt circular arrangement, even it would have taken more time. Okay. Okay. Now move to the other areas. Direction sense. And dear students, all these six puzzles expected 20 sets. During puzzles webinar, whatever we have discussed, expected 20 models, puzzle 1, puzzle 2, so on, puzzle 20. These 6 models were there. These 6 models were present. So in case if you are writing the other slots exam or clerical prelims, please watch that video. Most expected questions, very important for RRB PO prelims and RRB clerical prelims. Exclusive puzzles. Now, from the area of direction sense, they given 3 questions. From the area of directions, 3 questions. Easy level of difficulty. Easy level of difficulty given with multiple points. Multiple points. A is to the south of B. B is to the west of C. Like this kind of statements are used. Easy questions. But lines given with overlapping. I mean, there is A is south of B. A is south of B. Again, it is given like C is north of B. So like this overlapping lines we got, but easy kind of statements. And questions are also direct questions regarding the distance and direction. Direct questions, distance and directions, and doable questions. Maximum we can spend 2 minutes time to complete these direction sense questions. Okay. Now inequalities questions are very, very easy questions and doable questions. Easy level of difficulty. Now among these 4 questions, symbols inequalities, 2 questions with single statement. We have given 2 conclusions. Single statement means it is given like this: A greater than B, B greater than C, C less than or equal to D greater than E. Like this single statement, below this conclusions like this: A greater than D, and one more conclusion like this: C less than E. This kind of conclusions. But with the single statements, when it is given with the single statements, very, very, very easy questions and doable questions, and maximum it takes 10 to 15 seconds time to complete this kind of conclusions, right? Now, but there are 2 questions with 2 statements. 2 questions with 2 statements, not with the single statements. Those are a little bit time consuming, maybe 30 seconds time it will take. 2 questions with 30 seconds and 2 questions with 15 seconds. Overall, in 1.5 minute to 2 minutes, 1.5 to 2 minutes, you will be able to answer these 4 questions. Very, very easy questions and doable questions. Our students are able to attempt those questions. So time spent maximum 2 minutes to get these 4 questions. Now coding and decoding, 5 questions were given. Easy questions. 3 were easy and 2 are moderate. 3 were easy, 2 are moderate. What kind of coding decoding was given? Traditional model coding decoding was given, means left side some words, right side some codes, and you will be finding some common words and some common statements. With the help of elimination process, you will be able to find out the code. But here the problem is there are few questions given with if conditions. When there is a chance of getting if condition questions in coding and decoding, when you are unable to find out the codes of each and every word. So there is a one question is given with which of the following can be the code for. There are two questions given with if conditions and two questions are given directly, direct words and their codes. Okay, so these two questions are easy and this question was easy, but this question was quite little bit moderate, slightly higher level of difficulty than this. So 5 questions, but the time taken is maximum 3 minutes for these 5 questions. Okay, and miscellaneous 3 questions are very easy questions. What was given? Letter arrangement is given. Letter arrangement is given, 1 question. Letter arrangement, 1 question. Number arrangement, 1 question. Number arrangement, 1 question. And pairs of letters, 1 question. Pairs of letters, 1 question. What is the word that is given for letter arrangement? What are the conditions are given? The word given is produce. Word given is produce, and what is the condition given is vowels replaced by next letters. Next letters. Consonants are replaced by previous letters. Consonants are replaced by previous letters. After this, the letters which we obtained after applying the above conditions, those are arranged in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. After that, question was asked, which letter is third from the right hand? Which letter is third from the right hand? It is the exact question which was asked in the exam. Third from the right hand. Third from the right hand. Word given produce, vowels are replaced by next letter, consonants are replaced by the previous letter, then the letter should be arranged in the alphabetical order, and the question was asked, which of the following letter is third from the right hand? Exact question. Now in the number arrangement, number is given and the conditions are given. Odd digits are added by 1, even digits are subtracted by 1, and the question was asked, how many digits are repeated twice? 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 Okay. And there is one more question given on pairs of letters. In this pairs of letters, the exact word given in the exam is grandeur. Grandeur. This is the word grandeur. And the question was, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word grandeur which have as many letters between them as they have between them in the English alphabet? This kind of question. Now, in 1.5 minutes, by spending 1.5 minutes, you can answer these 3 questions. So to answer these 15 questions, time taken is 9 to 10 minutes. 15 questions, 9 to 10 minutes. By spending again 10 to 12 minutes or 10 to 13 minutes of time, there you will be able to answer maximum of 15 minutes. Okay. So overall, feedback given from our students is they will be able to attempt 25 to 30 questions by spending 23 to 25 minutes of time. By spending 23 to 25 minutes of time, they will be able to answer 25 to 30 questions. Good attempts. 25 to 30 are good attempts in 23 to 25 minutes of time. Overall level of difficulty rated for this section is easy to moderate. Easy to moderate. 15 easy, 15 to 20, 15 to 20 easy, and 15 to 20 moderate. Easy to moderate level of difficulty. Only circular set was bit tough comparing to the other sets. And comparing to the last year, it is slightly difficult, higher level of difficulty. Last year was sets easy. This year it is slightly higher level of difficulty questions. Close to IBPS PO prelims pattern comparing to last year. Okay, so it is about a reasoning section. Now let's discuss the quant section. Now in quantitative aptitude section, from the area of data interpretation, 2 sets were given. One is tabular form, one is pie chart. what kind of pie chart is given means it was given like this. Exactly 6 sectors was given with the percentages. 6 sectors: sector 1, sector 2, sector 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 sectors are given with percentages. This kind of one data interpretation set is given, and below this 5 questions are given. Below this 5 questions are given, but calculation based questions. Calculation based questions and time consuming questions. Time consuming questions. Now one more set, not exactly, but the feedback received from our students is tabular form type data interpretation. That is, there are 5 cities A, B, C, D, E and E, and youth or the population, or some values are given in thousands. Some values are given in thousands. 5 cities, and one more parameter is also given, like 15% of the people participated in the event, 20% of the people participated in the events, 22% of the people among these 1000. Let's say here is a 1000, here is a 2000, here is a 3000, not the exact values and not the exact percentages I'm saying. Okay, so 22% of these 3000 participated in the event. From 30% of these 4000 are participated in the event. This kind of tabular information is given. This kind of tabular information is given, and again calculation based questions, time consuming. So these questions are rated moderate level of difficulty. Okay, in both questions are given with some percentages, and here some values are also given. We need to convert and we need to solve it. Some links are given. What how much percentage difference for A, the number of students participated in from village A, and the number of students student participated in from village C. This kind of statements are given. Calculation based questions. Number series questions are very easy questions and doable questions. We will discuss that number series questions. We'll discuss. We got 3 exact questions which was appeared in the exam out of 5. We will discuss the 3 questions. Now, individual questions. Ages questions are given. Time and work question is given, like A and B are able to complete the work in X number of days. A and B are able to complete work in X number of days. A is more efficient than B. I mean, like A will be able to complete work in 9 days less than B or 8 days less than B when they do independently. Like this kind of statements are used. And time and distance questions, average based questions, mixtures allegations, profit and loss. Profit and loss questions and average questions are easy level of difficulty questions. Even ages is also easy level of difficulty. Time and work, time and distance, mixtures allegation, partnership was also very easy. Probability and mensuration question was bit moderate level of difficulty questions. As then when we receive exact questions, we are going to have one more session when we receive exact questions related to this. And overall 13 questions are given. Number series questions are easy questions, easy doable questions. In this one, there are few questions easy, there are few questions moderate, so level of difficulty rated easy to moderate. Quadratic comparisons, Q1, Q2 quadratic expressions are given. 5 questions you will be able to complete, you won't believe, in 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. In 2 to 2.5 minutes, you will be able to all these 5 questions, doable questions. Easy level kind of question, easy to moderate. 3 were easy, 2 were bit moderate. Data comparison questions are moderate, lengthy data is given. Bit lengthy data is given, but doable questions. 5 questions were given from the area of data comparisons and moderate level of difficulty. So what is the feedback received from our students is they have spent around 20 to 22 minutes of time, 20 to 22 minutes of time for quantitative aptitude section, and they're able to attempt 20 to 25 right attempts. 20 to 25 questions correctly. They are able to attempt 20 to 25 questions. So level of difficulty rated easy to moderate. Overall level of difficulty rated easy to moderate. So overall, by spending 45 minutes of time, overall by spending 45 minutes of time, good number of attempts are 45 to 55. 45 to 55 good attempts. 45 to 55 good attempts. Fine. Now let's discuss the number series questions that was given exactly. Number series questions that was given exactly in 1 minute. I'm opening the message which was I received from my student. I will discuss that questions. Number series exact questions. Out of the 5, they will be able to recollect only 3. Those 3 we will discuss. Okay. Now the one question was, as it is question 20, 12, 14 and 23. This kind of questions we discussed during our sessions and also in our mock papers. Very easy questions. 20, 12, 14, 23, and what is the missing number in the series. They did not ask for wrong number, just they asked for missing number in the series. What is the logic for this kind of question? We discussed. If the second number is exactly half of the first number or closest to the half of the first number, we'll go with the product and difference combination we discussed. And also we used to get decimal logic in this question. We discussed in our material, in our handout, direct this type of question. And I think values are also same. 10, 12, I mean there it is 20, 10, that kind of question, but here it is given 20, 12, 14, 23, that kind of question. Most expected question from our side. Product and difference decimal logic question. What is the logic here? 20, 12 into 0.5 plus 1 multiplied by 0.5 plus 2. I'm sorry. Next again into 1 plus 2. 12 ones are 2 plus 2, 14. And again 14 into 1.5 plus 2. 14 into 1.5 is 21 plus 2 is 23. Now into 0.5 into 1 into 1.5. Next is into 2. Every time it is increased by 0.5. So very easy question, doable question. 23 to the 46 plus 2, 48 is your answer. It just take 30 seconds to complete. It takes 30 seconds to complete. Doable question, very easy question, and we discussed during our sessions. So again, if you are writing, if any of you writing our upcoming exams, RRB PO next, I mean tomorrow slot and or today evening slots or RRB clerical exams, please practice once again our study material. You will get the exact logics from our material. Please do practice. These are the questions, expected questions, and which was discussed during our classes. Okay. Now the one more exact question which was given in the exam that I am going to give you. 19, and the numbers are also same. 19, 20, 42, 129 question mark and 2605. Right. Now look at here. Observe the given series. The given series is in increasing pattern, and the numbers are increasing rapidly. There is a big jump from one number to another number. But is the 20 is the proper multiple of 19? No. Is the 42 is the proper multiple of 20? No. Then in this kind of question, what is the logic that we are going to apply? Product and difference. This we discussed during our session, product and difference model. So 1920 we can write in the form of into 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 added with 1. 20, 42, 22 is a 40 plus 2 into 2 plus 2. 42, 129, 42, 3 is a 126 plus 3 is 129. Again 1, 2, 3. So definitely next will be 4, because 1, 2, 3, what is the pattern of the series? Natural numbers. Next to 3 is 4. So 129 fours, 124 is a 480, 9 4 is a 36, 516 plus 3 519. Very easy question, doable question. Into 4 plus 4. So obviously next will be into 5 plus 5. It is also very easy question. In 30 seconds we can do if you have the best practice of series and if you are good with the calculations. And this kind of question discussed this exact logic, but the numbers are different that we have in our handout. In our study material, there we have the question with 3, 4, 10, 33 and 146 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. This kind of exact logic was there in our study material. So once please go through our study material before going to the exam. Once revise the topics, once revise the logics, and once observe the pattern, how when to apply which type of patterns. Please once go through our material once again. Now the third exact question which was given is, is 520, 532, 508, 544 and question mark and 556 is the one exact question. Now here numbers are increasing rapidly or increasing gradually, because there is a small jump from one number to another number, so difference logic we need to apply. Even this kind of question and exactly the same multiple also we discussed during our session, but here the twist is increasing and decreasing, increasing and decreasing and again increasing. But in our material we have increasing decreasing level of questions, and but with the another multiple, but exactly increasing level of increasing question with the multiples of 6. Here 520 32 plus 12, 532 501 minus 24, 508 544 is exactly how much? Plus 32. I'm sorry, 36 plus 36. Now again look at here, multiples of 12, 12 ones, 12 twos, 12 threes. So what will be next? 4s. 1 2 3 or consecutive natural number, next to 3 will be 4, but addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction. So minus 48. So 544 minus 48 is 496. Now what should be next? Plus 60. So 496 plus 60 is 556. Right? 12 5s are 60. So 498 plus 556. So these are the three questions exactly which was given in the exam. Two more questions we are trying to get. Whenever we receive, we will be posting those questions also. Okay. So overall, by spending 45 minutes, you will be able to answer 45 to 55 questions, which are good attempts. Okay. Overall paper level of difficulty rated easy to moderate. Please keep on watching our YouTube channel. We'll be posting whenever we receive the complete slot information from our students. Okay. So please practice. All the best for your exams. Thank you for joining the class session. Have a nice day.